Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am freaking out right now. Good morning, good morning. We are heading to the airport. You and I are going on a little trip. I am beyond excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a year, and since we're doing something exciting, I have to vlog. There's no excuses. I have to vlog, so let's go. All my phones are dislocated. I just keep on wandering along. Everything completed. Everyone we try to master.
Kun je deze even openmaken? We moeten even de camera even controleren.
Well, that was interesting. Okay, I'm actually way too early, so I'm going to try and find a Starbucks or something coffee related because I want coffee right now. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm actually sweating. I am wearing such a warm coat right now because I'm going to a cold destination, but right now with the mask on, I am sweating. Hoi, mag ik een latte macchiato met havermelk en een blueberry muffin? I haven't been in an airport for like 2 years. I have no idea how this works. Totally forgot everything. But it's exciting. And it's exciting that I'm going to although I'm probably going to bleep that out so that you can guess where I'm going. I don't know why, but some people look really mad at me when I'm filming. Yeah? Okay, thank you all. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous right now. I haven't done this in a while.
Hi, good afternoon.
You're gonna do something exciting? Yes, I'm going to vlog. You
Oh,
want to say hi?
Yes!
Yeah! Hi!
We're on the plane. And I'm sweating. I'm so excited.
Gentlemen, it's now time for a final cabin check. Please make sure your tray table has been stowed and that the back of your seat is in the upright position. We thank you for your attention on behalf of KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. We wish you a very pleasant flight.
Oh my gosh, guys, I have an entire van for me. Hello? Hello? Okay, awesome. I'm coming down. Alright, see you in a sec. Bye. He's here. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am freaking out right now. Don't mind me. I was about to take a shower, right? So I needed to open my suitcase. And I borrowed this suitcase from a friend. And I have my code right here. And now I need... Oh my god, this is so embarrassing! Look, I thought that I needed a key to open it, so I had a little panic attack. I was like, I can't open my suitcase, but apparently I needed to press that button. Oh my god! Oh my god!